Hello, I'm Anton from Acconeer, and in this video we'll take a look on how to get started with the Acconeer expiration tool, together with the XM126 IoT module based on the A121 sensor. First, let's install Python. Press download. Select the Windows installer. Make sure to add Python to the path, then click Install Now. Now, let's install the exploration tool. Open the command prompt and enter the installation command. Before we run the exploration tool, we need to install the virtual COM port drivers. For Windows Desktop, select the Setup executable. And we click Extract. Then Next, accept the terms. Now let's download the binary for the expiration server. Let's go to the Acconeer developer site. Under Software Downloads, press A121, then XM126. And we select and download the expiration server. And then we unpack the zip file. Open the command prompt. Then we enter the command to start the expiration tool. Select the A121 version of the expiration tool. Click Flash, then Browse. Let's go to the directory where we unpacked the expiration server. Select the binary, then select the XM126. Click Flash. Follow the instructions to trigger the bootloader. After triggering the bootloader, let's continue flashing. Click Stream, select the COM port, and then we connect. Make sure it's set to the sparse IQ, and then we click Start Measurement. Well, that is all for this video. If you have any issues, feel free to contact us at our Fresh Desk. Link is in the description.